Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So for today's video, I will show you a tutorial on how to use DALL-E image generator in 2023. So maybe you're wondering what is DALL-E? So it is an AI created by OpenAI. So DALL-E is a site created for users who wants to generate pictures or images using their own description. This is a great help for those who are looking for digital art photos that they want to use for their projects or for their business. This tool is just going to be simple to use, and today I will show you how to use DALL-E 2. So first open your browser and then search for DALL-E 2. Click enter, and then you just need to click the first link that you can see here. Click this one, and then you can see that DALL-E 2 is an AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in natural language, and that is, you say, English. So you can click the Try DALL-E button here and you will be directed to the DALL-E page. So I already made an account for DALL-E 2, but in your end, if you haven't visited the DALL-E 2 page, you need to create an account for DALL-E 2. So creating an account is just simple. You can just create an account using through Google, or you can type your own email. You can use that one, but I suggest it's simpler to use your Google account. So once you're done setting up your DALL-E 2 account, you can now go to the DALL-E 2 page and start generating pictures. Well, in this section here, this is where you type the description that you want DALL-E 2 to generate picture. Let's go ahead and try this one. Let's say I want to generate a picture of an avocado inside a basket. So just click generate and then wait for DALL-E to generate some pictures, and now you have 4 images of avocados inside a basket. As you can see, DALL-E 2 generates decent pictures for you to use, and you can choose among these 4 avocado pictures. So the next thing is you want to click surprise me. If you don't have any idea what picture or digital art you want DALL-E to generate, you can just click surprise me and it will give you an option just like this one: a stern looking owl dressed as a librarian, digital art. So once you are satisfied with this description, you can just click generate and then wait for it, and you can see you have now pictures of an owl dressed as a librarian. So it is a digital art picture. So you can choose among of these 4 what picture you want to use. Also, DALL-E has a feature that will enable you to upload a photo that you want to edit and put some AI photo to it. So just click the upload image here at the bottom and search for a picture that you want to edit. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. So a little heads up, keep these things in mind while uploading a photo. Be respectful of others' rights. Don't upload photos of people without their consent, and images may be reviewed to enforce our safety policies and improve our models according to DALL-E, and we may use your data, including uploads, to improve our models and enforce policies. So once you agree to all of these from DALL-E, you just click continue, and you can crop your picture, but I won't crop this one, and I'm just gonna click edit. So for example, I want to delete the black cat here in the picture. So just click erase and erase this one. I'm just gonna erase this one, and I want to change it into a gray dog digital art. So now let's click generate. Well, as you can see, the DALL-E AI has its limit. You can't just put any description and they can deliver a decent one. As you can see, there's no dog here on the variations. Maybe the DALL-E AI can't generate a dog gray for this picture. Let's just try and type dog. Well, still there is no dog in the pictures. Maybe it is difficult for the AI to add one. So if you're experiencing some kind of this error, just pick another picture that you want to upload from your computer. That will be easier for DALL-E to edit. Now let's try this one. So this is a cat. I'm just gonna erase the cat. And let's try and change it to a cartoon dog. So as you can see, it's easier for DALL-E to edit simple pictures. So we have here 4 pictures of a dog, and you can choose from this one to edit or just download. The most decent picture is this one. So if you're satisfied of the picture, you can just download it. But before that, let's generate another picture. Let's try the surprise me button again. So now it will let you generate a bowl of soup that looks like a monster knitted out of wool. So this description is quite a lot, and let's see if the DALL-E AI can generate a good picture from this description. Let's click generate, and as you can see, we have 4 decent pictures here of a monster on a soup. So let's try and click this one. So if you are satisfied with the DALL-E picture that is generated, you can click this download button at the top right corner of the picture, and it will be now saved to your computer, and you can now freely use it as your own. When you click variations, it will generate another set of pictures, so you can choose another one for you to use. As I said earlier, DALL-E AI has its limitation in generating pictures. It has also limitations for you to generate pictures. If this pop-up appear, you have 7 credits left. Those are the credits that you can use to generate pictures. So if you're out of credits, you can just buy one. But if you want to use the credits just for free, you have to wait for it to refill. Just like mine, I only have 7 free credits left, and it will refill on May 16. So if I will be using all of my credits, I will just wait for May 16 for DALL-E to refill my credits. And that's it. That's how you use the DALL-E AI. If you learned a lot from this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.